there a problem?
Is there a problem?
There is a parking problem in this city.
There is a house.
There's a gun.
There is no us.
There's a phone in your room.
There's water here.
There's a bathroom in here.
And there's a store where you can buy 8 different kinds of hemorrhoid creams.
Well, there's a desk in the men's office.
And they say there's a fork in the road.
There's a knife on the table.
There's a knife in my right front pocket!
And there is a gun on the table.
Oh, there's a gun on the floor, sir.
Oh, because there's a parking space up there.
There's a parking lot right near the hospital.
Well, you know, there is a room in my flat.
There's a room above a restaurant.
There's a car.
Hey, there is a party tonight at school.
There's a bus.
But there is an old friend who wants to see you first.
There's a library in the front.
There's a mistake right there.
Perhaps there's a mistake on the map.
There is a house I want to buy.
There's a house over here behind those trees.
There's a house in Haiti.
There's a drugstore 4 blocks away.
Take us to a town where there is a hospital.
There's a hospital on the other side of town.
There is no time.
There's a pharmacy right over there, okay?
There is no us.
There's a pharmacy 2 doors down.
You know, there's a pharmacy around the corner.
Oh, there's a store right up the street.
Oh, look, there's a store right there with some nice dresses.
There is a problem between you and me.
There is no time.
Ross, there is no us.
There is no plan B, there's only plan A.
There's someone in the building.
There's someone at the other end.
There is someone at the door.
Hey, there is someone at the door.
There is a doctor in the village.
In the garden, there is a girl.
Well, there is a girl.
There is a boy here who is to teach us to fly.
Mr. Speed, there is a boy outside.
There is a new enemy out there.
There is a library 2 minutes away.
There is a pharmacy across the street.
There is a pharmacy right here in the hotel.
There is a shop on the next corner. There is a man in my bathtub.
There is a baby pelican bird out there.
You know, there is some cash in my purse.
There is a chance.
There is good and there's evil in this world.
Say there's a party